Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. So you guys know my birthday was on July 7th. So this was one of the gifts I got from the amazing Remy's fashion. Thank you so much, Remy. I really appreciate this gift. So Remy actually went to a YouTube event in London and she thought of me and she got me, the notepad and pen that they shared at the event, and then she gave me an early birthday gift as well. You guys are going to see it once I unbox it, so let's get into it.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
And guys, that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section, join as a member. And once again, thank you so much, Remy. You guys should check out her channel. She is amazing. She makes sewing tutorials that are beautiful. Guys, check her out, you would love it. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.